What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and I will show you how we caught this movement to the upside that brought us about 5% of potential profits. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, and I have to say that we have a lot of upcoming bullish news, potential bullish news that might drive the price of Tesla higher. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you, let me show you on indicators, that we had a bullish divergence, and bullish divergence is the pattern when we can see on indicator higher lows with the lower lows on the price action. And this means we might have a bounce to the upside, and right here at this very point I've told you that because of this movement to the downside, and I also have to admit that I caught this top to the tick, and right here I've told you that we should see the retracement in order to unload this structure to the upside. And right here at this very point I've told you that we have to see a bounce. And to project the levels where we might land, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom. And as you can see right here, we had several ranges. First range, the most obvious one, was at 0.236. Second one was 0.382 at $288.1, and we hit it to the tick, as you can see, and from this range we went lower. And the less possible but still probable is 0.5 at $292.92. So 4.75, almost 5%, depending on your entry price, is a very good gains in a matter of just a couple of sessions. And for now we have this rollover. And what should we expect next from the technical standpoint, I will show you in just several minutes. And for now let's continue with the general sentiment of the market and with the news directly related to Tesla. First of all, let me show you that we are deeply in red. The entire market is in red, as you can see. S&P 500 is deeply in red, and that's why the entire market also moves down. Let me show you some news directly related to Tesla. And on September 29th on Monthly Fool we have this article that is titled "Why Tesla Shares Tanked Today?" And the key points are following. One analyst just cut his third quarter delivery forecasts and the stock price target along with it. Tesla is set to host its second AI day tomorrow. And let me show you first of all that, let me show you right here, Piper Sandler analyst Alex Potter put out a note yesterday in which he lowered his estimated third quarter deliveries from 380,000 to 354,000 vehicles. He also cut the firm's price target to $330 per share, reports Barron's. Potter still thinks the stock is a buy. However, as the new price target implies a gain of more than 18% from yesterday's closing price. And let me show you this filing. As you can see, it was made on September 29th, and it is a still overweight rating, and the price target is lowered by $20. Definitely it is not the biggest decrease in price target, but still it implies some bearish pressure on Tesla. On top of this news, let me show you right here that other analysts says, let me show you the exact quotation. TrueCar estimates auto sales each month, and this month they estimate that Tesla will grow sales by 63% compared to the same time last year. However, TrueCar doesn't assess Tesla as the fastest growing automaker in September. That honor goes to General Motors. And here is the table, and right here you can see Tesla with the 63.4% year-over-year change. And General Motors has 74.2%. And these two companies, I have to say, they are true leaders right now on this metric. And definitely overall this might drive the price of Tesla higher, but we have to see their official numbers. And let me show you another news that everybody is anticipating right now. Tesla AI Day 2022, how to watch Elon Musk's Optimus robot. And the subtitle is "Tesla has hired engineers to make a robot for dangerous or boring work. At AI Day, expect updates on FSD technology for eventual self-driving cars too." Definitely, this AI Day might drive the price of Tesla if Elon Musk announces something outstanding directly related to Tesla or its production rates, or probably new plan that we are anticipating probably in Canada. And I think Elon Musk posted some kind of preview of the news, the update, and here it is. Let me show you this article. Elon Musk says the Tesla Cybertruck will cross rivers, lakes and seas with waterproof ability. And Elon Musk said the Cybertruck will cross rivers, lakes and seas that aren't too choppy because it will be waterproof enough to serve briefly as a boat. And definitely, as you can see, you can find the tweet itself. And he also added, needs be able to get from Starbase to South Padre Island, which requires crossing the channel. And here's the map. And right here you can see that the Cybertruck as a boat would likely travel between 5 and 10 knots, which would make the trip somewhere around 51 minutes on average, depending on conditions. Regular boats with small propellers travel between 10 to 15 knots on average. Interestingly, this is only a minute faster than just driving the fastest route, which takes just 52 minutes. However, Musk did not disclose any indication of how the Cybertruck would be propelled, nor did he give any estimates as to what speed he would expect it to travel. And definitely, it is some kind of interesting detail that probably Cybertruck will be able to stay afloat. And that's why this might be quite interesting indicator, and it might be quite bullish sign for Tesla if Elon Musk reveals this data. On top of this news, let me show you that we are about to see, if I switch to daily time frame, we are about to see their earnings report that will take place on October 19th, roughly this date. We don't have the exact date, but still it is in the middle, it should be in the middle of October. And that's why we have a lot of deadlines which might be the trend reversal points. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Let me switch again to hourly time frame and let me show you this movement in details. As you can see, we broke this previous swing low and we form in some kind of zigzag, and on a slightly bigger scale, if I switch to 4 hours time frame, as you can see, we have quite choppy movement to the upside. And right now we can assume, because of this, as you can see, we hit almost to the tick this range of support, and I have to mark this range for you in order to see it more properly. And right here it is the crucial point, because right now this point is about 6 cents higher than this one. And as long as this pivot holds, we still have the possibility to see this as the next leg to the upside. And in this case, we might see the movement to the upside, but it is less likely. The most probable outcome is that we have, this is our first wave, this is our second, this entire wave is the third one, fourth, and truncated fifth wave. And in this case, we have to have an ABC correction. And right now we have, this is our A wave, this is probable the top of our B wave, and we have to have one more leg to the downside in order to complete the C wave. And let's assume that we might hit the golden pocket range right here, and I don't need this tool right now. And how we can prove or disprove this price action, this movement to the downside, to the range of roughly $242 to $246. We know that the most probable ratio in between A wave and C wave is 1:1. And let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this top to this bottom and project it from this top, as you can see right here, we have a very strong confluence range with the golden pocket level at 0.65 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of $242.93. This means if this asset breaks this range of support at $266.32, definitely we might hit lower targets. And remember guys, we have a lot of upcoming events that might drive the price of this asset higher. And on the range of 0.5 at $259.27, we will still have a lot of bullish pressure from the algo trades, which has the price target of $339 as its a major price target. First of all, we had this movement to the upside from this point, and right now we can see it again, and that's why we can see the trend reversal anywhere from the ranges from 259 all the way down to $242. That's why this is the probable path of this asset for upcoming week or so. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap.